I'm going to show you how to use your Google Chrome bookmark feature in under 5 minutes. I often get asked, Jen, what are all these icons that you have up at the top of your page? And these are just my bookmarks. Think of them like favorites from Internet Explorer. So if I'm on my drive, but I need to go check out, School Tool and get on School Tool, boom, it's going to take me right over there. I can also open up other tabs and say, yep, I need to have my drive open on that tab. Boom, I want Classroom open on this next one. And it's all just clicking one click away using these little icons on here. The other sweet feature with the bookmarks is that you can make folders. So in my collab folder, I have a lot of local agencies that I work with. In my maker one, it's all makerspace stuff. For current projects, like we have the Digis project going on, I've got stuff that I'm going to use in here currently. But as soon as the Digis is done, I'm going to hide that in my maker folder so it goes out of the way. So let me show you how to do these. I'm going to go to these three little dots on the side and go to bookmarks, and I'm going to hide that bookmarks bar right now. Let's say that I want to bookmark ReadWorks Digital. It might be something that I use all the time. You're going to hit this star right here in your URL bar. So when you hit the star, it's going to come up ReadWorks. I can go ahead and leave that. Right now it says Maker. I don't want it in Maker. I want it right on my bookmarks bar. And these are just your options you're going to use right here. So imagine it's your first time. Maybe you want to add Gmail or Classroom or Drive. It's going to come up with Gmail, Classroom, Drive right here. You can change this to whatever you want. So I might say I want it as ReadWorks Digital right now. And then I say bookmarks bar and done. Well, you're going to say, Jen, I don't see anything because there's nothing here the first time. But you notice that the star turned blue. So I'm going to go to these three little dots, and you only have to do this the first time. Go to bookmarks. Now go to show bookmarks bar. Here's that bar that was hiding. The nice piece of hiding it is you can get rid of it during presentations by doing those same steps, bookmarks, and then unselect bookmarks bar. Or if you don't want kids to see what you have up on there. And then from here, boom, there's our ReadWorks Digital. Well, the one thing that I do that's a little different is I get rid of all the words in here. So whereas all of these icons, I know what Gmail is, I know what Twitter is, I know all of these icons just by looking at them. Some I forget. It's like, wait a minute, what was this? Oh yeah, that one's Plickers. Okay. This one, oh, Ballbap, got it. But once I know what the icon is and I've trained myself, all I do is I go back to ReadWorks Digital. I right click and I hit edit on there, and then I simply remove the name of the text. From here in this editing, you can also put it into a different folder. You can put it in an additional one. You can make a new folder as well. All those options in the edit. Now I hit save. I come look at this little guy that's hiding here, and boom, there's ReadWorks. Well, I might want to put this ReadWorks guy into a certain spot on my bar here. Like I have Kahoot and I have Formative and I have Teachers Pay Teachers right next to each other. So maybe because this is a digital literacy site, I might pop this guy right over in between them. And all these can get clicked and dragged and moved around. So if I want Drive first, then I want Classroom, then I want Mail, I can change those all around. I kind of have some social media and digital media pieces like Twitter, YouTube, and GB libraries right next to each other. And then on the left side here, I have like our school stuff. So I have our school site, then we've got our My Learning Plan, our School Dude, the little bald dude that shows up, and School Tool. So whereas before you'd have to, go to the Leroy site, and then once you're on the Leroy site, you have to click on staff and then click on the drop downs, going just a little slow here, and then say, okay, now let me get to School Tool. No, you do not need to go here for this. You don't have to go to the home page whenever you want. Sorry, home page. All you have to do is say, oh, I need to get to School Dude. I open a new tab. Boom, there's School Dude. Or if I'm on a current tab, so I'm on School Tool right now, but I need to get to Classroom, boom, I just click it and you're there. This really helps for workflow, timing, just really getting everything succinct and together really well. So again, let's recap. You hit the star so that you can favorite, in a sense, or bookmark for Google Chrome, bookmark your site that you're on. And then from here, you just have to make sure the first time you go to Bookmarks, Show Bookmarks bar. And the other neat feature was going through and right-clicking and hitting the edit. So from edit, if I didn't know what Camp Invention was, I might say, yep, this is Camp Invention, save it, And then now I can see Camp Invention right next to it. Once I memorize that icon and I know that little C there is Camp Invention, I'm just going to get rid of it, save it. So enjoy this. Have some fun with playing around with bookmarks, the star here, and your 3 little dots to see them. And then by the time you know it, you'll have a ton of little icons all across your screen. So have fun and good luck.